Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is such an exciting day. Today is the day that I finally have received my Acrylipics Throne of Glass Special Edition collection. I'm so excited. Okay, so a little bit of backstory. I ordered these back in the end of November, and because of issues with Acrylipics and I think just their manufacturing and just I think the amount of people that really wanted this collection, I've just now received the box in the end of March. So I did receive updates from them about the boxes being delayed. I do think a lot of people that were part of additional orders or things like that were a little bit grumpy with the timelines of these. I haven't even I've opened the box, but like I'm staring at it, I can't see anything yet. But I'm really excited for these. I actually have my like original editions of Throne of Glass, like I'm looking right at them or over here on my other shelf. And I love them. They're beautiful, but these editions are just so stunning from what I saw online. From what I saw online, everyone looks like they've gotten really pretty editions. So I'm hoping these are going to be good. I'm also very excited because Fairy Loot's editions aren't that cute and I think kind of ripped off these ones. So I'm kind of stoked about this. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. There's the dragons on the side. There's the quotes on the back. Or no, this is the official licensed Throne of Glass Special Edition from Acrylipics. Oh my gosh, what's on this side? The castle. Oh my gosh. And then of course this is the quote. Once upon a time, a land long ago, since burned to ash, there lived a young princess who loved her kingdom. I'm so excited about this. Okay, how do I show you guys? Okay, I'm just gonna like, first initial reaction, I'm just gonna show you, I'm gonna just open the box and then show you guys kind of as we open it up. Okay. I'm so excited for this. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting. I've been like religiously checking my mail ever since like the end of January. Okay. Another opening. We have the box with the flowers. I'm like so excited. You guys, this is stunning. Oh my gosh. Okay, special edition box set. We'll look at that later, whatever that is. You guys. I like don't even know. These are the prettiest books I've ever owned and I haven't even took them out of the box yet. Wait, oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go through each of them and then I'm gonna put them back in the box and film a couple of reels because I can't handle myself right now. Oh my, I'm so happy right now. How these turned out. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Okay, this box is too heavy, so we're gonna go through each one. Okay, like look at all the things. Look, so pretty. Oh my god, look at the foils. And the end. Oh my good golly gosh. This is beautiful. My name is Kalina. I used to never pronounce her name. And I will not be afraid. Oh my god. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, end papers are blue. Book is blue. I think these are the original. Yeah, I think these are technically the originals. They've just sprayed the edges and obviously put new end papers on them. I'm so obsessed. Okay, so that's the first one, obviously, Assassin's Blade. Okay, this one should be Throne of Glass. Yep, Throne of Glass. Okay, end papers on the back here. Stunning. Look at the castle. You guys, this is so beautiful. Okay, Throne of Glass. You could rattle the stars. You could do anything if you dared. I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh. And papers are dark blue. Stunning. Okay, noted. The print is definitely sticky for these. Oh my gosh, wait, I forgot. And there's sprayed edges on the bottom too. I totally forgot about that. Okay, it's just the trees and the flowers on the bottom. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm definitely gonna go through and like definitely try and crack the print on these a little bit. I'm never like, well, I'll read these at some point, but I'm gonna be so careful with them. Like, these are not leaving the house books. Oh my gosh. Crown of Midnight with, of course, the cavern. I love the foiling on this so much. Crown of Midnight, Spirit That Could Not Be Broken on the back. These look so well done too. Like, everything looks really clean. Everything looks really well done. There's no impurities, no imperfections that I can see. Everything looks really great. Here's the spine with the Throne of Glass, the flowers. You guys, tree on the top. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Purple end pages, beautiful. We love it. Oh, this one, okay, this one definitely broke a lot easier. This one wasn't as sticky. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with these, you guys. I can't even begin to tell you. I can't tell if, is it mirrored on the front and the back? I think it's mirrored on the front and the back. We'll see. But I think the end pages, unless I'm crazy, are the same. But, okay. Then we get the wyverns, of course. Okay. Air of Fire. What's this one? This is, I think, where she does her training. I read these last year, so let me know where you guys think this is. If you guys can see. Oh my god, look how pretty. With the, oh my gosh, and the falcon. Sorry, I'm just absorbing as I'm like looking at this with you guys. I'm so obsessed. Okay, she was heir of ash and fire, and she would bow to no one. I'm obsessed. Okay. Oh, okay. So I think it is the same print on the back as the front. Flowers down at the bottom. Trees and a wyvern up at the top. I'm so obsessed with this. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. We need to calm down. We need to relax. Okay. Next. Oh, we're getting bigger. I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, what? Oh my god, Queen of Shadows. Look at this with the wyverns. And the wings healed with the webbing. I just realized what that was. Oh my god, the attention to detail on these, insane. Completely insane. And then the wyverns on the spine here. Oh my, sorry, I'm trying to get you guys like in it. Queen of Shadows. We are the 13 from now until the darkness claims us. My heart. If you know, you know. Oh my gosh. Red end papers, stunning. Oh, and then there's the wyvern on the top. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have no words. I have no words. I am so excited about these. Okay. Next, the stag, you guys. Look at the stag. Oh my gosh, he's so beautiful. They're so well done. They're so clean. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. Okay, Empire of Storms. With, of course, the pirate town that I'm blanking on the name of, but the world will be saved and remade by the dreamers. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Oh, they did such a good job with these. Oh my gosh, it's like exactly how I pictured this town. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. Okay, last two. I've really been trying, okay, I also don't think you understand. I've been trying so hard not to spoil myself what these all look like, but look, with the tower and the castle. Tower of Dawn. Okay, I'm gonna be that person. I loved Tower of Dawn. It was one of my favorites. So I won't take hate from anyone about this. I really enjoyed Tower of Dawn. I think it was so like just as a standalone even, just with Cole, and I loved it. And the owl, the attention to detail, you guys. I'm so obsessed. For wherever you need to go and then some, the world needs more healers. Obsessed. Obsessed. Oh my God. I can't. I have no words. Wyvern, flowers. It's incredible. They killed this. They did such a good job. Like, unless Fairy Loot's doing like a whole new revamp. Why do I want to like cry all of a sudden? Oh my gosh, Kingdom of Ash. Look at the stag and the castle. Oh my gosh, they did such an amazing job with these. I'm obsessed. So amazing. Once upon a time, in a land long since burned to ash, there lived a young princess who loved her kingdom. The end papers are what are killing me right now. They're so perfect. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. Legitimately, I was worried about how these were going to turn out, and I'm so happy. I also think there's some end pages, which should be what's in here. Or not end pages, but like inserts, potentially. Because they said there were some extra goodies that were going to be included. So let's see. Oh, wow. Yep. Okay. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Thank you so much. We're incredibly excited to share with you our special edition of Throne of Glass. We know we wouldn't be able to bring the magnificent story to life without your support. We've included a few thank yous to show our gratitude. Inside, you'll find King's Flame blooming page overlays. These two overlays come together to bring the very last scene from Kingdom of Ash to life. Once Upon a Time page overlay. These overlays include the inspiring quote found on the Kingdom of Ash's back cover, and 8 translucent bookmarks featuring Aelin Galantis, Sam Cortland, Rowan Whitethorn, Man in Blackbeak, Dorian Hillivard, Lysandra Enar, Cole Westfall, and Urine Towers. Wait! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, let's talk about these bookmarks. Stunning. This is Dorian. What's the point of having a heart if you don't use it to spare others from the harsh judgment of your mind? Amazing. I hope that looks interesting. Okay, incredible. Love that. Oh, wait, I'm missing one. Who's this one? This is Manon. I want to see the Manon one. Okay, the Manon one is incredible. From now until the darkness claims us. Love that. Amazing. Okay. Then we have Rowan. You do not apologize for defending the people you care about. Amazing. I don't know why I'm like holding this up over my eyes, but I feel like it needs to be done. So it's what's happening. Okay. Next, Lysandra. You say the word general and I'll transform into the face of nightmares. Look at it. With her cat face. Amazing. I just realized that's what that was doing. She's like transforming into the snow leopard. Oh my god, I love these so much. Okay, this one is Cole. Maybe you and I will have to learn how to live. Oh my gosh. Why do I feel the need to put them over my eyes? I do. Don't ask me, but it needs to be done. Okay. Urine. For wherever you need to go and then some, the world needs more healers. Amazing. Sam. My name is Sam Cortland and I will not be afraid. And of course, Aelin. Once upon a time in a land long since burned to ash, there was a young princess who loved her kingdom. Incredible. Oh my gosh. Okay. Obsessed with these. So amazing. I really wish they were a little more stiff, but that's okay. Now, oh my gosh. Okay, page inserts. Once upon a time quote. Like the whole print of the spines put together. Beautiful. Love that. On pretty good paper too. It's a little bit translucent, but overall beautiful. And I'm obsessed. The last page, or the last moment. This is making me want to reread the series all over again. It really, truly is. Oh my gosh. Okay. So if you can't tell, I'm thrilled. I'm so happy I finally got the books. I'm so happy that I got to open it with you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video or want to know more about Acrylipics or their offers, I do actually think they're having another drop for these collections coming soon. So if you don't like the Fairy Loot ones, go ahead and order these because can highly recommend. 10 out of 10. It's incredible. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.